Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Morning. In the she shop, it is cleaning day. Oh, couldn't figure out what that was. It's cleaning day in the shop because I need to get that big dresser in here. It's bigger than the buffet was, so I've moved the buffet out. I'm actually going to raise it up on the stools here because it's got this weird inset base. So it's got like two spacers on the side that are just empty. And I want to get it raised up so that I could do the feet and stuff like that. But I have to get this place cleaned. It's really hard to work in here. There's so much Christmas crafting stuff. I'm going to have to get a bin that's just dedicated to Christmas crafts. It's just, there's no room for it. There's nowhere to put the Christmas crafting stuff. I don't know what to do here. It's a hot mess. 100 Projects, 100 Days is coming, and there's going to be like a lot of this stuff going. It's just starting to pile up again. And for those of you who are in the 100 Project, 100 Days group, a couple of you have commented that you're kind of ashamed at how far you backslid. I mean, come on, guys. As soon as we stopped, it was like they all started to pile up again, and I got other stuff I had to work on. So we all have the same thing. We're all in the same boat. We're going to get it done, though, guys. We are going to get it done. I don't even know what to do here, though. I started, and then I get like overwhelmed, and then I stop, and I had some lunch. And look, an empty box. This was on the 100 Project, 100 Days project list from last year. Didn't get done in that, and it never got done through the whole rest of it. So I think this should be my inaugural kickoff. We'll see if that gets done. There's just so much stuff that needs to get done. Look at this. See this? You know what needs to be done on this? I needed to put a cork back on it. That's the extent of my laziness at this point. Like, this didn't thrill me enough for it to get done. And this would take me how long? That's not the point. The dopamine receptors want something more fun to work on. I'm going to sneeze. So much dust in here. But I've been sweeping as I go. In my nose. Well, when I work on projects, when I work on projects, I go for the one that excites me. You know, like the project that's going to be fun, and I'm going to like doing it, and painting and repairing, and the little things like glue a back on that. I could do 20 of those little projects in like an hour, but I don't do it. This is one of my 100 Projects, 100 Days because I've had this for way too many years. Like, it's just like resin pedestal. Somebody had filled it with foam of some kind. Anyway, it's like a prop. It's like a stage prop. That's what it reminds me of. It's super lightweight. It needs a paint job because, ew, who did this to it? So that's on the list. I have a lantern. Guys, I have a lantern that is broken. Needs to have some JB Weld put on it, stuck back together. That's it. And then it needs to be repainted. It could be repainted. I didn't do it. It's on last year's list. It's on this year's list again. It's like Oh, so many things. And I know that everybody's got different things that they want to, different projects that they want to work on, different things that they want to do. Some people want to exercise. Some people want to quilt. Some people want to, clean a room. Like me cleaning a room today. Just a lot of different projects. So if you haven't signed up, and if you want to share that link that's in the description below with a friend of yours, everyone's welcome. So just copy that link and paste it into your text messages or email or however you want to send it, and they can just go in and answer the questions for the group. And that's it. That's all they have to do. Answer the questions and you'll be part of the group. I don't have to approve anybody. Anybody who wants to be there can be there. So I'm going to get back to cleaning. I have to kind of also took the litter box out of here. So the litter box got moved down, which should give me more room to move in here. I just made a new spot for the paint. This can get put away for the year. I mean, there's tons of just Christmas craft stuff that just needs to go away. Ah. And yet I'm still sitting here. Gotta get to it. I don't know if this is the bleach water or just the water. It's just water, I think. Unless I have the Ovid. Should be just water. I got new tools for Christmas. I'm really excited. My brother-in-law gave me some really neat tools. So during the 100 Projects, 100 Days challenge, there will be some projects done with my new tools. Very excited about that. So then is this the bleach water? Vinegar. Well, where's the bleach then? This has to be bleach. Do I not? Can I not smell bleach? This smells like vinegar water. Where's the bleach? This is definitely vinegar. This has to be bleach. No, you'd think I'd smell it. If I can smell the vinegar, I should be able to smell bleach. Uh-oh. You better find the bleach. This has got to be bleach. Hello? What? I can't smell this either. Well, don't drip it on yourself. It might be bleach. Does the smell of bleach go away? This is off color, right? So it's gotta be bleach. Interesting. Remember me saying I would rather have a root canal than take my lighting rig down? Can you tell why? One of them's on the floor shining up at me right now. I will never take this lighting rig out of here again. And when I was putting that back up, the tile dropped on its corner on my toe. I definitely need steel-toed shoes. This is gonna leave a mark, like for real. It was right on the corner of my toenail. Now I really hate that tile. Part of me is thinking if I just break it, I won't have to put the cork backing on it. And it would make up for the bruise I'm gonna get. Is that blood? Yeah. I'm bleeding now. Well, fantastic. I'm gonna go take care of that. And my husband's trying to just help me drop off my buffet. Wave, Jeffy.
Hi.
Thanks for helping me move it in.
Yes, I am.
He got to see my third booth. That looks expensive. I'm like, it's not though. I got a really good deal. So we got that taken care of today. And then I'm going to go home, finish cleaning my shop. And then I'll move that dresser in. You guys will get to see that. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.